So this is an attempt to describe what I'm doing with this column here in the standard error. This is Excel, and what I've done is I'm using Google Chrome, to formulate the data for the formula, and replacing the column, because the data goes across the bottom, with a new column identifier. So this is column Q. So I come up here, I'll go to the left and insert the equal sign, Command A, select it all, copy, then go back to Excel and paste. So there's the new formula. So I go back, so tell me what to do. Chrome. This is the last one we've done. Go up, left, equal sign, select all. Oops, that was a mistake. Z, because I just pasted. So this should be R instead of Q. So I made a mistake, so I'm going to have to correct that. So this has to be R, this has to be R, this has to be R, this has to be R. Now select all and Command C, copy, not paste, and go back here to Excel and paste. There. Well, that seems odd. That standard error is 7.7. That's a mistake. So we're going to stop it there, erase it, and see what I did wrong.